Forget everything you know about paid AI. Today the game has officially changed. MiniMax M2.7 is now open source. This is not just another chatbot. This is the world's first self-evolving AI model that can actually fix its own mistake and improve its own code. And the best part, today I'm going to show you how to use MiniMax M2.7 is completely for free without spending dollars. Before we get started, let me discuss why is everyone in the AI community is talking about MiniMax M2.7. Let's look at the numbers. MiniMax M2.7 can run up to 100 autonomous loops to analyze failure trajectories and improve its performance by up to 30% without human help. On the SWE Pro benchmark, it scored 56.22%, putting it the same launch at Claude Opus has. It doesn't just write code, it understands production system, performs log analysis, and handle complex multi-agent tasks natively. Essentially, you are getting Opus level intelligence for completely free. So ready to use it? Here I will show you 3 ways to use MiniMax M2.7 completely for free. The first option, you can go to Hugging Face, go to this website and then go to the model section. Here, if you just scroll a little bit, you will find MiniMax AI, MiniMax M2.7. If you not get that, you will simply search here. Okay, so go there. Here you will find the open wait ready for download. So this is the first way. Now the second way, you can use NVIDIA API. So simply go to build.nvidia.com. So this website actually offer free credit, API credit to use it. For example, you can go to MiniMax M2.7. If you not get there, you will simply search from here and go there. So if you go there, here you can go to view code sections and using this CLI command. So using this command, you can able to get access of it. Okay, so you can use this platform and able to get it, but for this tutorial purpose I will just go with third options. You can go to Ollama. So this is my favorite tool to run large language model completely for free. Here at the beginning you need to download Ollama. You can simply click this download Ollama and then choose your from here download for macOS or use this command. If you are using Windows, then click this Windows section. You will have this command on your PowerShell and you will get Ollama on your PC. Okay, I have already installed that, so that's why I will simply open it. Look, here we will simply search Ollama and you will see Ollama is on my PC. So this is your first task. You will have to install Ollama on your PC, and then what you will have to do, you will go to the model section. Then here you will simply search MiniMax. Okay, just write min, then you will get MiniMax M2.7. Go there and you can see. So to get it on your PC, you will have to command this. Okay, then you can use it on Claude Code, Codex, OpenClaw and OpenCola. So if you need all of this tutorial, you can just leave a comment. I will show you in the next video. Okay, so what you will do, you will simply copy it. Now you will open the terminal. Let me open the terminal and simply command this. By commanding this, it will actually install MiniMax M2.7 on your local machine. So let me press enter. Look, it's actually connecting to MiniMax M2.7 cloud on ollama.com. Okay, so after that, if you go to Ollama, then here you can see MiniMax M2.7 is available for you. Okay, you can choose that and you can chat with here. Okay, but if you want to work with Claude Code, then you will have to use this command, but before that you need to have Claude Code installed. So that's why let me go to Claude. Then here we need to get it on our PC simply using this command. Let me open this, open a new terminal and I will paste this. Okay, let me press enter. So within a few seconds Claude Code will be installed on our PC. It's setting up Claude Code, initializing Claude Code native build latest. Now it's successfully installed. After then what you will do, I will go to a project directory and then we'll create a new project. So I will go to projects and here I will create a new projects. Here I will say demo test MiniMax 2.7. okay, something like this. Then we'll drag it and drop it here. So after then what you will do, so here we will simply open the terminal, then back to the Ollama website. And here you can see to launch with Claude Code, you will have to use this command. Simply copy this command and now just back here, paste the command and then press enter. Using actually Ollama, Claude will launch based on this model. So let me press enter. And now you can see it directly says safety. It's actually just asks you to trust this folder, yes. Then you can see it's actually directly launched with Claude code and you are using this specific model. Okay, so now you can just ask for anything, but before that before going that, I will actually prompt something like this. I will say give this prompt to test if actually this model works better or not. So that's why let me press enter and see how it's actually perform. This is a very basic prompt. I says act as you are a creative developer. I want you to build high-end portfolio website using React.js and Tailwind CSS. Make it minimalist, use class morphism and keep it dartboard. Create hero section with framer motion and have dynamic project grid. Okay, I just give this little prompt. So after a few seconds you can see something like this. It's actually make the concept and vision, then design language, color palette is here, then it says the typography, all of this spacing and motion philosophy, all of this planning is done, and it's created a folder structure, something like this. If you want to create the spec, go with go with yes. If you need to edit anything, you can go with the second one. Okay, I will go through the first one, then press enter, and look, the spec.md is created, and based on this spec.md it will actually work for building the projects for us. So do you want to proceed? Yes, I want to proceed. Now you can see you will have successfully created all of these stuff, and it says run this site, go to cd inside portfolio, then run your website. Okay, so for doing this, let me take a new tab. Okay, new terminal, and here we will go to inside portfolio, then we will command npm run dev. Okay, let me see. This is the website the AI is created for me, and let me show. It's very minimal, but I think it's right now. So if you just work with more, then it will be more refined website and you will get better output from there. Okay, so let me know how this is actually working and use this model and leave your comment based on your experience. Okay.